Hello everyone, Justin with 511 Designs. I wanted to share with you a tool that I bought recently. Well, actually it's been quite a while and I've been meaning to do a video on this, but if you're familiar with our ROPS clamps, these are a method of mounting lights onto the rollover protection system on tractors. And each one of these gets a riv nut on one side of the clamp. And if you've ever used the typical tool for putting these in, it's very labor intensive, very time consuming. So you have to manually thread on the riv nut, compress it, install it, and then unthread the tool from the riv nut. So I was looking for a quicker solution and I found this. This is just on Amazon, and it's worked very well for me. It's taking my installation time down from about a minute a piece to a matter of seconds. So let me show you how I install these. I put a little bit of grease on the threads of the tool, every part or every other part, just to keep the threads lubricated because this can wear out. So this is the process. So the thing about this tool that I like the most is these threads will end up getting burred up and then it won't work properly after so many pieces. You pop this out, and rather than being a new insert or part of the tool that you'd have to try to get from the manufacturer, it's simply a socket head cap screw. So you can buy these at any hardware store for a few cents, maybe 20, 30 cents, I don't know. And it uses a thrust bearing. So if this does get burred up, stops working properly, I just take this apart, replace the cap screw, put some grease on the thrust bearing, reinstall this, and then I am back in business in a matter of seconds. So that's the thing I really like about this. If this would get through to 20 or 30 pieces and I had to change that cap screw out each time, that I'd be more than happy with that. But as you can see here, I just did 100 pieces without any issue. I put just a dab of grease on it, every part or every other part. This wasn't a new cap screw when I started these. I had already done like maybe 50 of them. So really pleased with it. I'll put a link in the description. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.